welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya's Building Young Leaders program empowers adolescents with life skills. Northeast University support NEHU's demand for NEHU VC's resignation. Meghalaya's Steve Jirwa wins India's Best Dancer Season 4. And Hinyautra Youth Council urges cleanliness at Krang Market. And now the news in detail. The Building Young Leaders, Empowering Adolescent Boys and Girls with Transformational Life Skills program took a major step forward at St. Claret Higher Secondary School, Ampati in Southwest Garo Hills. This initiative, driven by the Meghalaya Institute of Governance (MIG), focuses on equipping teachers with life skills training so they can mentor students. Key topics include self-awareness, confidence, communication, decision-making and health, enabling adolescents to build resilience and a sense of purpose. The event featured Crystal Ripamchi and Sangma, BDO of Betasing CNRD Block, as the chief guest, and Taposh CH Marak, SEO from the office of the JTDSEL Tura, as the guest of honor. A student felicitation ceremony celebrated young participants as ambassadors of the program, encouraging peer engagement. With strong support from educational institutions, this program is now impacting youth statewide, fostering leadership and confidence in Meghalaya's next generation.
Doctors. Yes, I can see a few hands raised. How many of you would like to be a musician? Yeah, I can see some hands being raised. Maybe a YouTuber? Yes, of course.
Support is growing across Northeast universities for the Northeastern Hill University Students' Union NEHU protest, demanding the resignation of NEHU Vice-Chancellor Professor P.S. Shukla. On Monday, Kiang Nangba Government College Students' Union KNG-CSU President Napisabet Latam visited NEHU to express solidarity with NEHU, condemning the Vice-Chancellor's silence and disregard for students' concerns. Protests have intensified at NEHU's Tura campus, where students have blocked the campus gates to press their demands. NEHU has criticized the administration for failing to address students' issues, which include academic and infrastructural grievances. The united stand by KNG-CSU and other institutions highlights the increasing regional support for NEHU's cause, underscoring the growing call for leadership changes within NEHU.
Janga kadega nafi sabat latam ngiban ka Kianong Ba Government College Student Union kadega President jangka Kianong Ba Government College Student Union dan mah ngiban ang ni ban ai ke support nagta ki mo ki NEHU Student Union ka KSU Khasi Student Union kini ban ai jing tersyan ki magni ka movement ke jongki ban ai ki jing support nagta kini mo te ngaru ngakot wer ki affiliate college na baru ki college ki affiliate dengan NEHU akot kepat ki bikin ban support ya ki NEHU ya ki KSU nama ba kajing support ke jong ni kadang ki yo kajing job naba kajing job ke jong ki kene kajing job ke jong movement ke jong ki kade kajing job jong ni baru ki colleges dan akot wer ya baru ki colleges manwan support ya ki NEHU ba ya ki KSU lada up UBC ya kini kajing doa yang ki pura yang ki NEHU student union ki KSU in yang i percak bagi ujian nyerap man ujian bagi haduk wada resign.
Bringing pride to Meghalaya, Steve Jirwa has emerged as the winner of India's Best Dancer Season 4. In an intense finale, Jirwa triumphed over competitors Harsh Keshri, Nextion, Nepo, Akansha Mishra, Akina and Aditya Malviya, claiming the top spot on the national stage. Jirwa's victory earned him a new car and a cash prize of Rs 15 lakh, while his teacher Raktim Thakuria received 5 lakh for his contribution. This achievement has been celebrated widely, with family, friends and the people of Meghalaya expressing pride in Jirwa's accomplishment.
So when I play kimi Steve mo, bakani kan dia message yaki kimi kipa, kabakidan kasap kikun si, day ban punduksa atau day ban kimi Steve ba, itristom mo, lalu bantalen kutu lalu bantang, te baki bahaya ngasem tu, abadan kikun kasap katalen. Wat pene do nama kani kasap katalen kadai gawe ke employment kadai kala ajam bat tentu yaki paiba dane yaki longkemi longpa badan ki kubur ki badan sap badan talen telon bat trikam hok yaki bat suki kan salong gawe kelenti la ajam
Ki bomla ban yo kerteng ru kin dei ban thau ban bat ya kata namar ba ka jing ya kun jongi mentau apo yang sa sisin hakani lengba nakani ka ba job kani ka India Best Dancer menta ula along banikong ti hangni ru don bok bangin yakit bok ru yang sa sisin ya kitu ki breu ki blabo ka jing duai ki bla pen i da ki kotba ki la pen i da ki no ki jing duai da ki komen ki ongkong ibu tang ka jing duai ngi mla penyarap to filek no firu mi don rengkat bat fi pin poisanya ku jaka pin wan ra ka jing job kadai ka jing bisa namar la da ki bo yu play hakmat ka jing job baru ka kilong balak sudah baru kinong duai badon benta ladu kinong trai ki bokfer ki pun yang aku ongkong misu sorong ya ka jalan kalian namar news tip Jirwa ula wan ra sisa ya ka burom tengong hoy ka burom ru kandai chafiru kinong ya tebut kinong ya trai sitom menit hadu pun poi khat ar baje iju tep ya ka dikabut tahu ni ustip Jirwa usohon ra ya ka burom juga jelam ro ka we te ngam don ban ai ngaru yaki ngabu utang kata ka jing kublai sibun si hajar lu ublai kurku ya bar ko ki boy don bentau wat ki bom don bentar un kublai ru ka kamar balai kan ni de jing job jang ka jela jum bar ka we kublai sibun.
The Hneutrab Youth Council HYC Krang Area Unit has called on residents and visitors of Krang Market to maintain cleanliness after observing an increase in litter around the area. HYC members concerned about health and hygiene requested that individuals avoid leaving garbage and used items scattered in the market. The HYC leaders encouraged market dwellers to dispose of waste properly in designated areas to keep the village clean and healthy. The council emphasized that collective effort is essential to preserve the beauty and hygiene of the local environment. The body of martyr Ibok Madur, who sacrificed his life for the nation's peace and security, was laid to rest in Linkhoi village on Monday. A member of the Assam Regiment and deployed to the Fire and Fury Corps of the Indian Army, Ibok lost his life in Jammu and Kashmir on November 7th. Born in Maubri Ribhoi, he later moved to Linkhoi with his wife and young son. The Linkhoi Catholic Church conducted his funeral and Assam Regiment soldiers honored his memory with a ceremonial tribute. Ibok's dedication and bravery have left a lasting legacy for his family and community.
Doin song sup hagajing shai ke mat jong me putrai Jesu hakahima jong me junom la junom. Amen. Hagajing kolar ukres nyuan bantap ya kamet jong ini men ipara jong i balaklat no daga jing shania hu blai bala ai jing em haki ki baro tongin ya duai bon sapen mi pat ya gane kamet syaga jing janai baga jing slok ki rukut to blai try kan rad un isnai bat un map lot ikilai kilet jong i to Chris unong sharai bobha un yalami i shalayeng bansa rengkat bat ublai ukpa jong e jing su to in command hangta junam ngedwai ya ke jing dwai ke jong trai ukpa jong i ubah neng kelong bokoi ke keteng jong me kanwan ke hima jong me kanlong komon jong me agak ndo kubah neng ai nge menta ke jing bam jong i bahala ke si matama pingi ke rengkang jong i kumbai
Sengap skor kendiap sa kena kowe jing pun bena barok kebedan hang ni kita banyaknya kena kelenti kebedan neng kimbet banhian kena ke pia kiu menta jan barok nama ba let's say gidan kiwe ki kamu ni lewat tu lah solat kamu ni anu tu start dah Batu tu lemo, batu le. Play me, play na, play.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until meet again, thank you for watching.